Today I'm going to teach you how to remove and uninstall OneNote from Windows. This can be really helpful if you're looking to free up space or simply don't use the app anymore and want it completely off your system. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. This initial step ensures that OneNote is currently active on your system before we proceed with the removal process. Give it a moment to fully load so everything is ready. Once your notebook has been loaded, we're going to use Windows PowerShell to completely remove OneNote from your computer. To do this, you'll need to open your Windows PowerShell app. You can typically find this by searching for PowerShell in your Windows search bar. Make sure to run it as an administrator for the command to work properly. Once the PowerShell console has opened, you'll see a command line interface ready for input. Now I'll be flashing you a line of command that will remove or uninstall Microsoft OneNote from Windows. This command is specific to OneNote removal and will handle the entire uninstallation process for you. You can pause the video here to copy the command accurately. It's important to get the command exactly right to ensure the removal works smoothly. Once you've added the command into the PowerShell console, simply hit Enter. After you press Enter, you'll see the deployment operation progress on the app removal. The console will display various status messages as it processes the command. This might take a few moments, so be patient and let the process complete without interruption. Once the initialization has finished, it will remove and uninstall OneNote from your computer along with all the files associated with it. This means not just the app itself, but also any residual files and registry entries that were connected to OneNote. Your system will be completely cleaned of the application. And that's it. You've successfully removed OneNote from your Windows system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.